Hi everybody, it's Cindy the Scrapologist. Thanks for coming back to my channel and watching again. I really appreciate it. I have a new item available in my shop. I only have a limited amount right now, and I don't know if I'm going to be reissuing this or not. We'll see. But I did have a video that I did earlier on how to make these, so certainly you can go and make these yourself or you can buy them from my shop. And what they are is, let me get a journal here. They're pages, they're junk journal ephemera that can go in your junk journal. You can glue or tape them on or washi tape them on if you want them to flip up. They look really beautiful in a junk journal. They're 3.5 by 6, I think. 3.5 by 6. Excuse me. And they are made from vintage book pages. Actually, this set is made from excuse me, a vintage horticulture book. So at the top of each one, there is actually the name of a particular plant. I seemed to have grabbed the letter P, so I have pea, pear, passiflora, a lot of the Latin names. And each one, actually, let me get a better one. Not all of these are done. Each one, they're all different, but each one has similarities in that there are two pockets. One pocket has a journal card and one pocket has a tag, and they are covered in vintage sewing pattern paper. They are excuse me. They are all stitched on each side. I think most of them are the zigzag stitch. Every one features some snippets of sari silk, some more sewing paper, some stamping, and then every one has a some kind of a sentiment on it that I have cut out of books. This one says, "Another winter I fear." This one says, "There are some who can live without wild things and some who cannot." And you can see the beautiful sari silk, and there are two pockets on each one. So I'm selling these in sets of 10. I have 40 available, so only 4 people will be able to purchase these. They're available in my shop now. If they become really super popular, like my library pockets, maybe I'll try to keep them stocked in my shop, but I can't guarantee that right now. Um, yeah, so right now I have 40. I'll put the link below. I hope you like them. Go and make some yourself if you don't want to buy them. They're super fun. They look fabulous in junk journal projects. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.